welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. Today, what we're going to talk about, I don't have any videos of male colognes, perfumes on my channel, and I love perfumes. I love collecting them. My husband loves cologne. He loves to smell good. We all love to smell good. So I wanted to share my favorite 5 that I recommend for your man for the summer months, because these are just so fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. Very fresh and very clean. And I want to share them definitely with you guys. But first, I always like to start off my videos with some inspiration to get you feeling good, get you motivated, to get you in a better sense of peace. So, with that being said, today's inspiration is going to come from Psalms 18:6, which reads, "But in my distress, I called out to the Lord. Yes, I prayed to my God for help. He heard me from his sanctuary. My cry to him reached his ears." So, I love that. For one, I just love that. Whatever it is that you guys are going through, whatever it is that you're facing right now, cry to the Lord. Continue to pray. Be fervent in your prayers and continue to seek the Lord, because he hears you. He hears you. Even though your situation seems like it's never going to change, you're never going to come up out of it, it's going to always remain the same. No, that is false. Do not believe that. He's with you and he hears you. The enemy wants to distract us. The enemy wants us to believe that God isn't there anymore. He's not listening. He doesn't care about our situation. No, he cares. It may be that he's trying to teach you something in the current situation that you're in, but take heart, because Jesus has overcome the world. And if you have Jesus Christ living in you, you will be able to overcome the world as well through him. Through him, you guys. So I just want to encourage you, if you're, we all struggle with something. We all go through some type of turmoil that's in our lives, and I just want to always give you encouragement, upliftment, and just allow you to see and be reassured that the Lord has never left you and he never will. But the battle is always in our minds. Our battles are always in our minds. So we need to just put those thoughts into captivity, into submission to the Lord, and say, no, my God is for me. He is not against me. Keep the faith, keep praying, keep staying positive and steadfast in the Lord, and he will see you through it. Be patient. Be patient. Anything worth having is worth waiting for. So again, I want to talk about my 5 recommended colognes for your man. They're definitely summer approved in my book. I love them. They smell so good. They're fresh. If you guys want to see my 5 colognes that I recommend for the summer months for your man, then continue to watch. These are not going to be in any particular order at all. I'm just going to hop right into it and show you this first one, which is Gucci by Gucci. Looks like that. And it smells so good. Okay, so this smells like a fresh, spicy scent. Like it has like a hint of spice. This is more so like a businessman, definitely going into the office type of scent for work. It's an everyday scent for that. It's not that subtle, but it's pronounced to where you can walk into a room and heads can turn and be like, who was that? This cologne smells so good. So I'm going to read you guys the top notes. So the top notes include bergamot, cypress, and violet. And then tobacco leaves and jasmine as the base notes. Performance wise, I would say when my husband sprays this prior to him going to work, I smell it. And then when he comes home from work, I can still smell it. I don't know about you guys, but do you spray your cologne like on your actual body, on your skin, or do you just spray it mainly on your clothes so it lasts longer? Let me know in the comments below. I'd be interested in seeing your comments in regards to that. So again, this is gonna be Gucci by Gucci. Next one, you guys, I love. It's so fresh and it's so manly and masculine, and it's just smells so good. It's like, give me a hug. Come here, give me a hug. I just want to lay on you. It smells so good. This one's gonna be the Vince Camuto Home. Seriously, you guys. It smells so good. This is really fresh. A hint of spice, but not as much as the Gucci. Performance-wise, it's amazing. It lasts a really long time. But it's just like, when you get out of the shower and you want to feel so fresh and you want to smell fresh, this is one that you definitely want to reach for, because it just smells so amazing. Like, it's amazing. It smells amazing. It's great. I definitely recommend it. Let me tell you what some of the top notes are. It's a blend of lemon, ozone, and gin, along with fennel, blue cypress, juniper berries, and a French lavender. French lavender. Yeah, I can smell that. That spice that I'm smelling in this is that hint of lavender for sure. It smells so good, so good. Definitely a shower scent. I would say, men out there, if you're watching this, this is the cologne you'll want if you're trying to make a good first impression and you're going on like that first time date, and you just spray this and she'll remember you forever. Literally. Forever. It smells so good, you guys. Check this one out. Again, this is Vince Camuto Home. So the third one that I've really been loving is going to be this Chanel Blue. Chanel, I mean, can you really go wrong with Chanel? Tell me, can you really go wrong with Chanel? I think not. I think not. This one is like, I'm a grown man. Like, I ain't no little boy anymore. I'm not a little boy. I'm a man. This is like, I'm a man. I'm here. I've made it. I've arrived. This is a gentleman. A gentleman cologne. Yes, this is a gentleman cologne. You can definitely wear this one on a date as well. But this one's more so like, if you have like a special occasion or like a special event that you're going to, or like a Christmas party, or like a financial meeting, or, you know, a conference, something business wise that you're going to be attending to, I would recommend this. It just screams like business boss, corporate man. To me, at least, it does. And it smells amazing. It's like fresh, not too spicy. I would say more along the lines of woodsy. Very woodsy. Yeah, woodsy. Woodsy. Top notes for this fragrance would be, yes, I was right. Ding, 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 I was right. Okay, it says it's a woody aromatic fragrance for men. So, I guess I know what I'm talking about when it comes to fragrances. I guess my game is on point as far as these smells are concerned. So, it says it features nutmeg, ginger, sandalwood, mint, jasmine, grapefruit, citrus, cedar, and pink pepper, along with 2 other things that I'm not gonna butcher and I'm not gonna try to pronounce on camera. And performance wise, again, I do feel like it's fitting. I feel like it performs well. I don't think it has a poor performance as far as longevity. I wouldn't say it fails in that department, because I smell it all throughout the day on my husband when he wears it. So again, this is Chanel Blue. I definitely recommend this to you guys. So check it out. Get it for your man. Get it for your man. It smells so good. Okay, so the fourth one that I like, it's going to be Versace. This guy right here. This is an older one. I don't know how long ago it came out, but I know for sure this is not new. by all means, it is not new. It is an older cologne, but it smells really good. This one is definitely one of the fresh smelling colognes. Right when you hop out the shower, you want to put this one on. Or like if you're going to a beach, if you're going to like brunch, or having like a light lunch, you definitely can, you know, utilize this cologne for those occasions. It smells really good. It's along the lines of fresh, not really musk. I would say a lot of citrus, definitely a lot of citrus. Not a lot of sandalwood or woodsy. It kind of, to me, as far as freshness, resembles the Vince Camuto one that I showed you guys. But this one is probably more fresh than that one because that one had a little bit of spice. Let me read to you guys the top notes for this cologne. Lemon, bergamot, rosewood, and rose. The heart notes are cedar, tarragon, sage, and pepper. Amber, saffron, musk, and some woody notes as the base notes. Interesting because I don't really get woodsy from this. I get just citrus and just freshness. But I can see like a subtle hint of woodsy, just not a massive amount. Very, very minuscule amounts, yes. But again, this is a Versace. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, but this is the Versace. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and check it out. Go smell it for your man and possibly get it for him for Christmas. Why not, right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's just take a moment. Are you guys ready for this? My fifth one that I'm gonna recommend to you lovely people out there is going to be the YSL. And why? Like why? Why does this smell so good? Tell me why. Why? It smells really good. Yves Saint Laurent literally puts out an amazing product, especially when it comes down to fragrances. Yeah, this one, okay. So with this one, it's gonna be on the sweeter side. Compared to the other four that I've shown you guys, this one's gonna compare to a sweeter type of smell. So if you're into that, this cologne certainly would appeal to those who are into spicy and sweet colognes for their man, because this smells really good as well. They have a lighter version. This is going to be the Parfum. I believe the Toilette is going to be the lighter version. But this is like, I'm in here. Like, I'm in here. I'm in it to win it. That's what this cologne screams like to me. Like, if colognes could talk, that's what this one would say to me. Like, I can envision, like, this cologne would be like, I'm here, I'm in it to win it. So, it smells really good. You know where you can really wear this? I would say if you're going on an interview. If you're going on, like, a corporate interview or something like that, you can certainly put this cologne on and, like, they'll remember you. Who knows? They might just hire you because you just smell so darn good. You never know. God works in mysterious ways, so you never know. But this bad boy smells really good. Really, really, really good. Really, really, really good. Really good, really good. Okay. This one says apple, which is why I'm catching that sweet, that breeze of sweetness in this cologne, so I'm assuming that's coming from the apple. It says that the top notes are bergamot, ginger, and apple. Makes sense as far as the apple, which is why I'm picking up some sweet notes in this cologne, because the apple is pretty pungent, but it's a good pungent. It's not too overbearing. It smells amazing. It's great. I would say, like, if you and your man got into an argument and he went and took a shower to just unwind and he sprays this on and he comes out and then you're just like, you smell it and you're like, okay, I'm not mad anymore. I'm not mad anymore. Come here, let's just cuddle. You know? That's what this cologne gives me. It just smells good. It smells good. It smells amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Check it out. All right. that is going to conclude my top 5 summer colognes for your man for the summertime. Definitely recommend them again. You can wear them all throughout the year. It's at your leisure, however you'd like to wear them and whatever is conducive for you. But for me, personally, I love these during the summer months. They just smell so fresh and clean and just really masculine, and I love it. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video. I'm thinking about doing a top 5 updated summer perfume for women, because there are a couple of new ones that I have helped myself to that I really like, and I wouldn't mind sharing them with you guys. So if you'd love to see one, certainly leave a comment down below and let me know. Love you. Jesus loves you. Get to know him. He is amazing. He never leaves us. Even though we think that he's not there, he is always there. He's always with us. So we just have to have reassurance in that and trust that, and you know, not to waver, and just to be strong in the Lord. So I just want to encourage you guys. I'm always going to encourage you guys. Keep the faith. Be strong. I love you, and I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Before you leave, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it, again, if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. I love you guys. Bye.